I'm tired of reading. I know! Let's play a game!
Now we're talking. I'm in.
I know what we could play. It's a toilet that sprays out water. Amazing, right?
Great game. How do you play?
How to play this game is very simple, Hunter. All you do first is just spin the toilet paper, see what it lands on. So mine landed on a 3. You flush the toilet 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You don't have trouble counting to 3 nowadays. And then you might get sprayed. Dipsies, I go first. Let's see what I get. 3. 1, 2, 3. You'll go. You got one. You're so lucky. Woohoo! Mine go again. I guess I lost.
Are we finished? Because I'd like to drink some toilet water, please.
Oh, Hunter.
Hi guys, it's Hunter. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you'll never miss an update. And also make sure to tell everyone about us. Your mum, your dad, your friends, your grandma, your granddad, your cousins, your brothers, your sisters, everyone. Bye, see you guys soon.